Hello friends, thanks for joining me today. Today is Tassel Tuesday. So today I'm making a tassel like I've never made before. I'm joining in on my Scrapbook Loft's swap challenge that she's doing. I will link her video in my description box. In short, she's asking for a tassel with a bottle cap on it. And she said if you don't have a bottle cap, you can use some other sort of dangle if you'd like. If you want to join in, check out my description box for the video. All right, friends, here is our first completed tassel. Let me twist this around. So here's the tassel, and here's what we created today. So I wanted to show it to you before I showed you how I did it. Let's go ahead and do one. We'll connect them together. We're starting with this piece. And I'm going to try to do that without creating a shadow because I want you to be able to see me do it. Now, usually I have to use the little ring tool to open these, but these, they're not real thick, so it's easy to open with my finger. So I'm simply attaching that to the bottom of the bead, and then I'm going to attach that to the next bead that we want on there. So I have attached these two together. Now we're going to do that one more time, and we're going to attach it to the one with the pink flower. That's going to be the bottom of our piece. And there it is. And now I'm just going to go ahead and attach that to one of the little tassels that I made. Then, so that it can be clipped or pinned to something, we're adding our little bulb pin right to the top. And that can be removed. Somebody can add string to it, or whatever, however they choose to hang this tassel. They could hang this on a journal if they wanted, and they can just change that up as they want to. So there it is. I'll make sure to get some still shots of these so that you can see them hanging. Friends, I want to mention that Tassel Tuesday is an open collaboration. So if you would like to join in, feel free to do that. Make sure that you use hashtag Tassel Tuesday, and also make sure you check out all of the collaborators. They are listed in my description box. The challenge was to make tassels using bottle caps. So I didn't have any bottle caps that you get at the craft store, so I used real bottle caps, and I had my husband drill a hole in the top of them for me. I attached them with a bulb pin, and I used some of my very favorite vintage cotton. I absolutely love this cotton. So it's kind of a shabby chic style. I lined the bottle cap with lace, and then I put a rose in the center of each one. I tied this part, to tighten the fibers, I tied this with pink embroidery thread. I used embroidery thread instead of ribbon because it was small and these tassels are pretty small. So I just wanted everything to be size appropriate. Then I made these dangles. I used eye pins and I put bead caps on, and then pearls, and then here's some glass beads, and then at the top is a bulb pin. I made 4 of these for Tassel Tuesday and also for my Scrapbook Loft's April challenge. Thanks for watching. See you soon.